2nd September 2023. Here I am in my home food forest, and just now I have prepared another pit, another house for the earthworm that I have, a huge one. So basically I've taken a plastic bucket in which I've dug out a few holes in the ground. Then I have covered it with some leaf litter at the base, then some more mud, soil from the garden, and then I added some leaves which were rotting around here. Thereafter I added some more layers of soil, and then along with that I've added a little bit of compost that was already present. I don't intend to bring about a competition among the various earthworms here, because the garden earthworms that I have here are very small, different species, while this house is being prepared for another one which is really amazing. So now, time to reveal that one. I have been keeping her in this, and somehow it's not feeling like eating much. So let me reveal the one. Here it is, the huge earthworm that I have, and it's already going for a digging in the soil. Quick, very quick, very quick. But unfortunately, dear, that's not your house. It's going to be this one. So let's this is the earthworm, a huge one, and yes, there is a cat there. You can see there's a cat awaiting some food. So now I have got my earthworm in this new house, which will be soon covered with more mud, soil, and give it a house, a proper house. Just a little, you have to wait. Okay, stay out for a while I prepare your house. Now you may. There you go, dear. So my earthworm has found a new home. This is the general others variety that I have in my residence, in my garden. That's the normal size earthworm, and this is the mega that I have. Just imagine the immense difference in size. That is why I did not intend to mix them too much, because they are two different, completely different species. It's as thick as my finger. Just see how thick it is. And while this one is just a very small one. So there it goes. My beautiful big earthworm venturing into a new landscape altogether, and will be staying with us for as long as it pleases. Just cover it with some more mud, and while I also transfer this one, then I'll just take up some more mud and cover it up. Now time for some water. I'll take it with this. It'll also clean up the place. Some more water. Let there be water. Completely immersed. It shall be soon out. There you see, there are holes in the bucket, as I said. So the water is vaporing out. And the earthworms are very well in this little. Okay. Now I put it up. So that is the top box, and then I have a lower box. The lower box will be just for the purpose of collecting the liquid that is released of this entire process. It's called tea. There it goes. I have not added any tap here, just for the sake of simplicity. And now my work is done. I'll just add up this lid with cover. Of course, I will be adding some more leaf litter in this and then mix it up. So that shall be happening in about 2 hours from now. I'll first let the earthworms settle down in this new landscape, and then I'll cover it up with this lid, though there's a very little chance of their escape. So this is, for the time being, my vermicompost unit, and then these 2 baskets are also getting ready to be converted into a vermicomposting unit. The cat is still there. Least concerned. Hey cat. Not a fickle. Fine enough. So the time, for the time being, my work is done, and these are seedless lemons. See you. There's the vermicompost unit.